Hi guys, welcome to the short video about how to put something large, heavy in a cardboard box so people can easily take it out. So maybe this is not the video for the end consumer, but rather a video for somebody who's working for a manufacturer and has to decide what's the best way how to put something in a large box. I mean, this is pretty large. You can see that this is I would say a little bit more than 2 feet high, really large, heavy. This is an air purifier. And I was thinking, okay, how can I take this out of the box? I knew it's large, it's heavy. So usually we have to put these boxes down and then pull it out to the side. It's really difficult, and they have found a really interesting construction, and I'm going to show you that now. I have never seen that. So when we open the box, that's looking pretty much standard. We have the instructions manual, the remote control, then we have this styrofoam, and now it gets really interesting. Here we have this fabric, and it's open a little bit, I mean divided, and you can see we have 4 of these ends here. And we have still protected the air purifier inside, but I can grab it like this, and I grab also this one here, and I grab also this one here and this one here, and now I pull it out of the box easily with one hand. I mean, of course it's not working for a wine cooler or so. When it's too heavy, then it's a little bit difficult probably, but it worked pretty good. You can see it's empty, there's nothing inside. We have the air purifier here, and it's really not a small one, so we can pull down the fabrics on both or on all sides, remove the thing. Now it's just some basic work, it's not rocket science anymore. We just pull this down to the very end, and it's absolutely freed and available for you. I thought, yeah, it's super interesting. I've never seen that, so easy for me. I mean, it doesn't make a huge difference, but I keep this brand really in a positive way just regarding this packaging. Maybe it's even a really good air purifier. I mean, I'm going to make a review about that pretty soon, but this is something which was really interesting to see, and I thought, yeah, I'm going to share this with you, so maybe you like the thing and you can give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.